Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andita Pamiswari with NPM 2241115 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most important topics in the world of business and corporate management, and then corporate management. Whether you are the student or business professional or simply curious about the companies and the run behind the scenes, this video will make you help you understand and the key concept, principle and challenge of the good governance in the corporate world. Okay, start the video. First of all, let's begin with a quick overview of what this video will cover. Introduction. In today's business world, trust and accountability are essential foundations. Corporate governance emerges as the system that governs how companies are directed, controlled, and supervised. Good governance is not just about meeting regulations, but about building a transparent, ethical, and accountable organization for all stakeholders. Next, the word governance comes from the French word this is governance, which means control of regulation. Corporate governance refers to the system by which companies are directed and controlled. So, what exactly is corporate governance? Simply put, is the system by which companies are directed and controlled. Corporate governance is the system and process used to direct and control a company. It involves distributing responsibilities among management, the board of directors, shareholders, and other stakeholders to ensure the company is run effectively and in the long-term interest. But why is so important? Next, we will talking about the definition of corporate governance. According to the AOCD, corporate governance is the system used to direct and control business activities. It regulates the division of duties, rights, and responsibilities of those involved in the real life of the company, including shareholders, the board of directors, managers, and all non-shareholder stakeholders. Let's move on the next slide, why it matters. Effective corporate governance is crucial for maintaining company integrity, increasing investor trust, and promoting business sustainability. Good governance practice help companies avoid conflicts of interest, misconduct, and reputational risks. Next slide, we have to talking about history and evaluation. The concept of corporate governance evolved significantly following financial crisis and major corporate scandals such as Enron and WorldCom. This even led to the development of regulations and governance principles of ensure transparency and honestly in reporting and decision making. Next, we have two main objectives. The main objective of corporate governance are to ensure that companies are managed responsibility, efficiency, and with the focus of long-term sustainability. It also creates a structure that promotes fairness, accountability, and social responsibility. That's why main objective is so important to learn. Next, we have the core principle. The core principle of corporate governance there are transparency, accountability, responsibility, fairness, and integrity. Each of these principles plays a role in building a company that earns the trust of shareholders and the public. Next, we have to talking about principle of corporate governance. There are five principles of corporate governance. Number one is fairness. Fairness means treating all stakeholders and employee, customer, suppliers, and the community equitably and justly. Number two is transparency. Transparency refers to the open and honest disclosure of information. It ensures that stakeholders have a sense of accuracy. Next, we have the risk management. Risk management involves in identifying, analyzing, responding to risks and could affect the company. Next, we have to talking about responsibility. What is the responsibility? Responsibility means that those who manage the company must act in the best interest of the organization. Next is accountability. Accountability ensures that individuals and groups within the company are held responsible of their action and decisions. So, this is the principle of corporate governance. Number one is accountability, fairness, accountability, and responsibility. And next is fairness. Let's move on to the next slide is benefit of corporate governance. Some benefits is corporate governance. Number one is prevent non-transparent financial reporting to shareholders, investors, and other stakeholders. Number two, provides guidance to management for more effective operations. Number three, directs and control business activities according to the owner's objective. Next, we have to protect shareholder rights and interests. And next, we have to protect the rights and interests of non-shareholder and the tax holder. This final, we have to increase company value and the shareholder wealth. Let's move on to the next slide is success indicator. The indicator of successful corporate governance includes increased investor trust, company value growth, minimal internal conflict, and the positive public reputation, uh, which all the success indicator. We have to more principle and we have to more practice in the learn of the corporate governance. I want to tell you about the challenge in implementation. Some challenge in implementing corporate governance includes lack of the top management commitments, conflict of interest, and weak law enforcement. Therefore, a consistent approach and strong oversight are essential. So there are the challenge in the implementation. And next we have to conclusions. Conclusions in this video or in this material is corporate governance is not just a set of rules, but a vital system that ensures companies operate ethically, transparency, and responsibility. Implementation GRG leads to stronger organizations and sustainable business growth. Okay, that's all for my video and thanks for watching. If you have the video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and the content of business and corporate strategy. And I'm sorry for the mistakes and hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.